live according to nature. Zeno of Citium. This is the core Stoic principle. Align yourself with how things actually work. Don't fight nature. Flow with it. Understand the natural order and work within it. Here are some ways to apply this. Sleep when tired, eat when hungry, rest when exhausted. Accept aging as natural, not as defeat. Work with human nature, not against it. We are not disturbed by things, but by the views we take of things. Epictetus. Events are neutral. Your interpretation creates your experience. Two people face the same situation with completely different responses. The difference is in their views, not the situation. Here are some ways to apply this. Rain is beautiful to one, ruinous to another. Failure is education to one, devastation to another. Criticism is helpful to one, crushing to another. The universe is change. Our life is what our thoughts make it. Marcus Aurelius. Everything outside you is in constant flux. You can't control that, but your thoughts about it determine your experience. Same universe, different lives based on different thoughts. Here are some ways to apply this. The changing economy is just change. Your thoughts about it create your response. The aging body is just change. Your thoughts about it create your experience. The shifting relationships are just change. Your thoughts about them create meaning. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. Marcus Aurelius. What you think repeatedly, you become. Your thoughts aren't neutral observers. They're active shapers. They dye your soul their color. Choose your thoughts as carefully as you choose your identity. Here are some ways to apply this. Constant complaints create a complaining person. Constant appreciation creates an appreciative person. Constant criticism creates a critical person. Never esteem anything as of advantage to you that will make you break your word or lose your self-respect. Marcus Aurelius. No advantage is worth losing your integrity. The shortcut that requires you to compromise your values isn't a shortcut. It's a trap. Self-respect is more valuable than any gain. Here are some ways to apply this. The promotion that requires betraying a colleague isn't worth it. The money that requires lying isn't worth it. The relationship that requires pretending isn't worth it. The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury. Marcus Aurelius. Don't become what hurt you. Rise above it. Be better. Your excellence is the ultimate revenge. Let them see what they failed to diminish. Living well is the highest form of justice. Here are some ways to apply this. They lied about you. Respond with transparent honesty. They abandoned you. Respond with fierce loyalty to others. They hurt you. Respond with kindness that proves you're different. Observe constantly that all things take place by change, and accustom yourself to consider that the nature of the universe loves nothing so much as to change things. Marcus Aurelius. Change is the nature of reality. It's not occasional. It's constant. Expecting stability is expecting the impossible. Embrace change as the fundamental character of existence. Here are some ways to apply this. Markets change. Plan for it. Relationships change. Accept it. Bodies change. Work with it. Dwell on the beauty of life. Watch the stars and see yourself running with them. Marcus Aurelius. You're part of something vast and beautiful. Don't get so lost in daily problems that you forget the wonder. Look up. Remember the scale. Find perspective in cosmic beauty. Here are some ways to apply this. The problem feels smaller under the night sky. Your place in the universe puts your ego in perspective. Natural beauty reconnects you to something larger.